Let me bring Sudhanshu Mittal into this. You know, I don't know why Arvind Kejriwal's party is being singled out for this, because the fact is, and I said this to Shazia as well, that if you try criticizing Mr. Modi or Mr. Amit Shah in the BJP, then chances are you won't have much of a political future in the BJP. Same holds for the Gandhi family and the Congress party. Our regional parties are worse. So then why should Arvind Kejriwal and his party be judged by a different standard?
Two things, Zaka. First, I reject the charge which you are levelling against the BJP for the simple reason. Here was Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee who had a difference of opinion about what was happening in Gujarat. Yet, the Gujarat Chief Minister, who is now the Prime Minister, continued. So we have been a party where dissent and individual opinions have not weighed in terms of having a dictatorial impact on the party. So that's rejected completely. Now, why is
Sudhanshu ji, you know, Prime Minister Vajpayee, you know, we all know, we all know the man. He democratic stuff, you know, used to flow in his blood. Let's not kid ourselves, right? I'm talking about the present dispensation. I'm talking about the present dispensation. But anyway, go ahead and make your point.
Yeah, in the present dispensation also, it's a sweeping statement which does not hold truth.
Okay.
Now, that apart, we are here to discuss Aam Aadmi Party. Let us discuss that. See, typically, all principles, all dreams of alternate politics were only till such time the power was not in the folds. The moment they got power, the typical palace intrigues have taken over. You know, you have people conspiring, you have deceits, you have all kind of games which are played in palace intrigues to acquire power and acquire supremacy. That's exactly what it is. See, the exposes, these things, they have clearly exposed that the so-called ideology or so-called alternate politics was just a facade and not a truth and not a statement of conviction or commitment. Look at the conduct. It is complete dictatorial conduct where what I say has to be followed, otherwise I show you the door. And now somebody is trying to camouflage that in terms of, no, this is democracy.
I'm sure that Saurabh Bharadwaj.
See, today people are feeling cheated. They had voted for something different and what they've got is completely different. They never voted for a party which is going to have people abusing each other in public. You have the Deputy Chief Minister, you have the convener issuing press statements alleging all these things. You know, the kind of tamasha which is going on there is certainly very sad. And what is most deplorable is the remark of Mr. Kejriwal telling the mayors of Delhi, you go and approach Mr. Arun Jaitley for money. It's your responsibility, sir. According to the Panchayati Raj Act, you are the one who has to fund them. So telling them to go and meet Mr. Arun Jaitley, I think it is the politics of the lowest level which you are practicing. Please don't do it.
So Sudhanshu ji, if I can very humbly submit, the people of India also voted for the BJP for development for all, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. They certainly did not vote for Ghar Wapsi and for communal violence. So that applies to your party as well. Let's not get into that.
Instead of making these comments,
I'm not making a comment. You said you said
Let us discuss whether we have done development or not. Let us discuss what we have done as a government.
That is not our point of discussion today, no? That is not our point of discussion today. The point of our discussion is about... No, because you said... And
you asked me, what about people of Delhi?
Because you said people of Delhi... Yeah, exactly.
They have not delivered.
Because they voted for one thing, they got something else.
India voted for...
They voted for one thing, they got something else. The same can be true for at least some people of India who voted for something and got something else. Anyway, that's a different debate. That is a different debate. Let me get Saurabh Bharadwaj, and I'm going to close this debate with a closing comment from Saurabh Bharadwaj. The fact is,
I want to very humbly submit.
Yeah.
I want to very humbly submit that, Sudhanshu Mittal ji is misinformed about the fact that Arvind Kejriwal or the Deputy Chief Minister is doing press conferences regarding this issue. I don't think they have done a single press conference till date about this issue. In fact, they have been categorically trying to... Yes. Come on, Sudhanshu ji.
Let him finish. He didn't interrupt when you spoke. Let him finish,
so
please.
I think the party is very consciously trying to keep the government out of picture from this whole issue, because we also understand and we have, a full responsibility of the fact that people of Delhi have voted our government for governance. That's why we are trying to keep them out of picture, and that is the reason we have people from the party who are negotiating with Prashant ji and Yogendra ji.
Let me ask you straight a blunt question. I'm going to end the debate on this.
Did the Deputy Chief Minister issue a statement or not?
Sudhanshu ji, please.
Did the Deputy Chief Minister issue a statement or not?
This is not that show. This is not that channel where we speak in crosstalk. No, I'm sorry. I'm going to get a closing comment from Saurabh. I'm going to end this discussion. Tomorrow evening, when the National Council is done with, will Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan continue to be part of your party? Straight question, straight answer, please.
Yes, there is a high probability.
That they will or they will not?
They will.
They will continue to be members of the Aam Aadmi Party, right?
Yes.
Okay. We will have you back tomorrow. I hope you join us tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, once the National Council is done with, we'll see what the reality
is what
and what the... No. Now you're adding hope. Hope is not the same thing as the question that I asked
because
you. Anyway,
it depends on, what National Council decides.
We voted in hope. Look at where that got us. Anyway, we leave hope for another day. Thank you very much, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Sudhanshu Mittal, for joining.